Creating a budget. Creating a budget with a personal budget spreadsheet. Whether you're looking to create a personal budget spreadsheet or just get a better grasp on money management, start with these 6 steps. Even if you don't use a budget spreadsheet, you probably need some way of determining where your money is going each month. Creating a budget with a template can help you feel more in control of your finances and let you save money for your goals. The following steps can help you create a budget. The first step in creating a budget is to identify the amount of money you have coming in. Remember to subtract your deductions for Social Security, taxes, 401k and flexible spending account allocations when creating a budget worksheet. Your final take-home pay is called net income, and that is the number you should use when creating a budget. If you work freelance or part-time, get some tips for managing irregular income. Step 2, track your spending. It's helpful to keep track of and categorize your spending so you know where you can make adjustments. Doing so will help you identify what you are spending the most money on and where it might be easiest to cut back. It's unlikely you'll be able to cut back on these, but knowing how much of your monthly income they take up can be helpful. You can use this spending and budgeting tool if you have an account with Bank of America. Before you start sifting through the information you've tracked, make a list of all the financial goals you want to accomplish in the short and long term. Remember, your goals don't have to be set in stone, but identifying your priorities before you start planning a budget will help. For example, it may be easier to cut spending if you know your short-term goal is to reduce credit card debt. Use the variable and fixed expenses you compiled to help you get a sense of what you'll spend in the coming months. With your fixed expenses, you can predict fairly accurately how much you'll have to budget for. Use your past spending habits as a guide when trying to predict your variable expenses. Once you've done all this, you have what you need to complete your budget. Having documented your income and spending, you can start to see where you have money left over or where you can cut back so that you have money to put toward your goals. Want to have expenses are the first area to look for spending cuts. Try adjusting the numbers you've tracked to see how much money that frees up. If you've already adjusted your spending on wants, evaluate your spending on needs. Lastly, if the numbers still aren't adding up, you can look at adjusting your fixed expenses.